How to fix PowerPoint not saving file. So there's absolutely nothing worse than spending hours perfecting a PowerPoint presentation only to hit save and get a terrifying error message saying your file can't be saved. Before you panic and close the window, let's go over a few quick fixes to rescue your hard work without losing a single slide. So most of the time PowerPoint throws this error because it loses a connection to a cloud like OneDrive, or the current file name is locked. Instead of hitting the standard Save button, go up to the top left and click on File and then select Save As. So I'm just going to create sample project here, File, Save As. And don't just hit Save again. Click Browse and choose a completely new location that is directly on your computer's hard drive, like your desktop, for example, or Documents. So I chose my desktop and just save the file. And let me bring it up for you guys. Here's my presentation, saved on desktop. Also guys, I forgot, before you go ahead and save as, and you have this window, when saving it, for example, instead of presentation 1, choose 11, and then press save again. And changing the path and the name clears out any temporary background file logs 90% of the time. And if the save as trick fails, it usually means that a specific slide or a piece of media you pasted into the presentation has corrupted the file structure. So we can bypass this completely by copying your slides into a fresh environment. So just leave your broken presentation open, press Ctrl N on the keyboard like this to open up a brand new blank PowerPoint window. And then you just go back to your previous original presentation, click on any slide thumbnail on the left-hand sidebar, and press Ctrl A to choose all, and then press Ctrl C to copy it. Then jump over to the new one, click here again, and press Ctrl V like this. And word of advice here, a tiny clipboard icon will pop up next to your pasted slides. Click it and select Keep Source Formatting. Here, Keep Source Formatting. Bingo. And that is it. After that, you can just go ahead and try saving it again. This time, you should be in the clear. Enjoy, subscribe, and like the video.